Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to fix if camera not working in Windows 11. If you're trying to do a video call and using your dashcam and it is not working, then in this video I'll show you how it can be fixed. So first you have to go to the settings. For that you can click to the Windows icon and open the Windows setting. Once the setting get open, then on the left side you will see different options. You have to go to privacy and security, and then you have to find the camera. First you have to turn it on, and then you have to check if it is not working or working. Then you have to make sure it is turned on for that specific app in which you want to use the webcam, like a Zoom or any other thing like that. Once you have turned it on, there are chances that it will work, but let's say if it is not working, then you have to go to the device manager and you have to find the drivers related to the camera. Once you have find it, you have to update them. Once you update them, the issue will be resolved, because sometimes there are issue if your drivers are not up to date. So once you do it, you will see that camera will be working on. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.